Mr. Makineedi Surya Bhaskar, a talented writer, has been honored with the Telugu Award, which is considered equivalent to the prestigious Kendra Sahitya Academy. He is a versatile creative writer who excels in various literary genres. He is widely recognized as a poet, literary critic, artist, art critic, short story writer, children's literature writer, academician, orator, and freelance journalist. Makineedi writes poetry in three languages: Telugu, English, and Hindi. One of his notable works is Boat Song in Papi Hills, a long poem written in all three languages: Telugu, Hindi, Papi Kondalo Padava Part, and his own translation, Papi Pahadom Mi Navka Geet. He has an impressive publication record, with over 100 books to his name. These include 15 poetry anthologies, 7 anthologies of haiku, 32 anthologies of literary criticism, 2 anthologies of short stories, 9 anthologies of children's literature, 21 anthologies of art criticism, and 13 academic books. Additionally, he has published 7 anthologies of poetry exclusively in English: Boat Song in Papi Hills, Poetry, Poems on Trees, Falcon in the Rain and Other Poems, Makineedi's Haiku, Gods Won't Awake, Poems for M.S.O., Beloved Poet, Poems on Renowned Telugu Poet, Gunturu Sheshendra Sharma, and I'm Sexagenarian Now. Makineedi's poetry beautifully combines aesthetic sensitivity with social awareness. He is well versed in both traditional metric poems and modern blank verse. He is credited with publishing the first anthology of ekphrastic poetry in Telugu. The poet strongly advocates for the promotion of haiku and has published 7 haiku anthologies. He also wrote a book titled Haiku Poetry, Review and an Observation, which provides a critical study of haiku in Telugu and its history. Makineedi has made significant contributions to short forms of literature such as mini poem, haiku, nani, rekalu, and nanos. He is the first critic to delve into the poetics of nani, nano, and rekalu. In the realm of literary criticism, Makineedi assesses contemporary poets and their works, analyzing the modern trends that emerge from time to time. He is also a prominent figure in Telugu art criticism. His masterpiece, From Ramarav to Ramarav, delves into the artists and their evolving trends, starting from Sri Damala Ramarav up to Padmashri Drive. S.V. Ramarav. Makineedi's literature has been the subject of research by scholars such as Sri V. Vijayakumar, who obtained a PhD from Nagarjuna University, Guntur, and Sri M. Shekhar, who completed an MPhil from Potti Sriramulu Telugu University, Hyderabad. Ongoing research on his works continues. Several eminent writers and scholars have dedicated special books to Makineedi. Rachana Rasana is a compilation of articles written by 20 distinguished writers. Trishti Shrushti is a book by veteran artist Sri Rao Venkatrao, reviewing Makineedi's art. Other notable books include Manasunna Kavi by Srihasta, Neela Ninji by Dr. M.V.V.N. Soumya, and Anekuluga Makineedi by Sri Atmekuru Ramakrishna. Dr. P.V. Arunachalam, former VC of Dravidian University, has published a booklet titled Makineedi Krutulu, Telugu Sahityaniki Bahukrituలు, to honor Makineedi. Additionally, the Ajo Vibho Kandalam Foundation published a special souvenir in commemoration of Makineedi's achievements. Mr. Makineedi Surya Bhaskar is a distinguished figure in the present-day Telugu literary world, truly embodying the title of a man of letters.